guys, it's me Yus here. Today I'm going to show you the secret trick that helps you to make your WordPress website look outstanding and easy to use. As you know, WordPress websites are harder to make because we need to work behind the look of the website, as you can see here. Every task we perform here are free and is only for educational purpose. If you have a domain and a hosting, then install WordPress. If you don't have hosting and domain, then I can teach you to get hosting and domain for free. So let's discover the secrets. As you can see, I have given a link in the description. Copy and paste it. Paste the first link and enter it, and you will see this page. Then click on the continue to destination page. As you can see here, you need to fill a CAPTCHA to verify this. CAPTCHA is coming. Just click on the I'm not a robot and fill the CAPTCHA. As I have clicked already, so verify. It will redirect us. Just cut this one and click on the continue to destination page again. Again fill the CAPTCHA. Click on the I'm not robot. And verify it. And now you will be redirected to the media file link. As it is being redirected. And just preparing download and download it. Now, as it is in the zip file, so just extract it in the desktop like this. Put it in the desktop, not extract. And now visit your WordPress website and dashboard. And you can see the appearance tab here. Just click on the appearance and themes. Takes time. Now as you have got here, then click on the add new page and then upload theme and choose the file that you have downloaded in the desktop, divi.zip. Open it and install now. When you click install now, it will take time to upload. As I have already uploaded, you don't need to upload. I don't need to upload it, so you can do this. And again, the next step is another link I have given, that is also known as Divi Builder. Just click on that link and you will again come to this page. Continue to destination page, fill the CAPTCHA and download this. I have already downloaded this builder. You can see here in the desktop, Divi Builder. Now go to your WordPress website dashboard again, and now look for the plugins and add new. And now click on the upload plugin page and upload the file I have given, Divi Builder. Click it and upload it, same like the first step. Now as you can see, Divi appears, and when you go to the my blog and visit site, you should, as I am in the admin page, so visit the dashboard. Now when I go to the page, you can see enable visual builder. Just enable it. It will load like this. You can see the tutorial there if you like. Now it opens like this. Then you can see you can edit by looking the WordPress website rather than working behind it. So now you can add everything easily here. You can settings, and here you can add anything, buttons, click specialty, add from library, new section, everything. So it makes your WordPress website look outstanding and easy to handle. So hope it helped you guys, and if it helped, please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any problem, please comment below.